Professor Madhav Nalapa, the editorial director of the Sunday Guardian, and Ambassador Bhaswati Mukherjee. Ambassador Bhaswati Mukherjee, let me begin this conversation with you, ma'am. Pakistan has once again come out claiming that there could be a full-fledged war with India, and they had 2 days ago said that they have credible evidence that within the next 24 to 36 hours, India will be attacking Pakistan. Well, no such attack has taken place. Why is Pakistan at this point in time really feeding these sort of lies to its citizens?
Well, in the first place, Devika, my perspective is that we should not even read out this kind of hysterical stuff to an Indian audience, because nobody in India cares at all what Pakistan is saying, either on social media or their mad generals, because they are feeding hysteria to their public and giving the impression that they are as pure can be, they've done nothing, and that we are trying to fix it on them so that we can teach them a military lesson. The only thing correct is that yes, if we want to, we can surely teach them a military lesson. But we've already taught them a very good lesson by suspending the Indus Water Treaty. That Indus Water Treaty suspension is the real reason for their hysteria. They know that they are culpable. Everybody knows that these terrorists came from Pakistan. There were Pakistani handlers who were sophisticated handlers from the Pakistani army professional forces. There was one local who had been trained in Pakistan. All the evidence is there to nail them. Now the issue arises that they cannot understand the weight on our side for taking action. They don't know whether it's going to be a Balakot kind of incident, or is it going to be full-fledged hostilities. And in that event, they are trying to threaten us through nuclear deterrence by saying that when they say that they will use full force, they mean their nuclear weapons, but they conveniently forget to inform their public that their nuclear weapons were taken in charge of by the Americans before the Trump administration. Long before the Trump administration. They don't have control over their nuclear weapons. And India has a no first use policy. So the nuclear option on our side has never been talked about. But yes, we have certainly talked about retaliation, because 27 innocent people were butchered, executed in cold blood in front of their loved ones, and definitely there will be a response from our side. What kind of response that will be? We have never indicated that there will be an all-out war between India and Pakistan, but that is what they are feeding. Now, you read out that some person on Pakistani social media is saying that their operations on the border, etc., is depleting their fragile economy. I don't know which person said it, but he said the right thing. The Pakistani economy is on the verge of collapse. If they go into war with us, the World Bank will immediately suspend all aid. If they have an army coup, the World Bank will suspend all aid. They can neither have a coup, nor can they afford to attack us. If you look into the past, it has always been Pakistan who has attacked India. Even in 71, the hostilities began by Pakistan, not by India. So here, we are in a situation where this kind of hysteria is intended to whip up passions not only on their side of the border, they are trying to whip up passions on our side of the border through their famous or infamous two-nation theory. Hindus and Muslims are two nations, etc. They are trying to use the communal card, which is not working, and that is frustrating them, because their attack, this terrible terrorist attack, has been condemned by everybody in India, regardless of religion, and everyone across the world, including the Taliban. The famous Taliban, whom they had thought they would use as so-called strategic space against India, that same Taliban has condemned this terrorist attack. So I think, Devika, we have to conclude that it's not just Jhutistan, you could perhaps say that it is Jhutistan bordering on hysteria, war hysteria, and it is extremely dangerous internally for Pakistan, because if they have such rulers who are irrational, on the verge of hysteria, war hysteria and other kinds of hysteria, it is extremely dangerous for the future of Pakistan. If I was a Pakistani, I would be very worried about my future in Pakistan. And as far as I'm concerned, yes, I am waiting for the appropriate retaliation, which our Prime Minister has said. He has left to our armed forces to decide the measures and the time. He said that in the press conference, and everyone in India is waiting for the right time to come for an appropriate response.